Hello guys, welcome back to Chow Chow 20 to 25 channel. Last time you learned the simple WAN video workflow. But if you tried making a longer video, you quickly hit two big problems. First, out-of-memory OOM errors, your GPU runs out of VRAM. Second, boredom, a long video with just one prompt gets stale fast. The solution is video stitching. We'll generate the video in short, stable chunks. Specifically, we'll repeat the workflow every 81 frames, using the last frame of one video as the starting image for the next. This allows for stable, continuous, and dynamic long-form videos. To do this, we need three new custom nodes: Math Expression from ComfyUI Custom Script by Pythongos, Image Saver by Alexopis, Resize Image v2 from ComfyUI KJ Nodes by Kijai. Go to your manager, select the Custom Nodes Manager. Search for Custom Script and install it. Then search for ComfyUI Image Saver and install that too. Lastly, search for ComfyUI KJ Nodes and install it. Restart ComfyUI. If you've followed my previous videos, you might already have them. First, let's create the workflow to generate your initial starting image. Add a Load Image node and select your desired image. Add Resize Image v2 from ComfyUI KJ Nodes to set your exact video dimensions. I'm making a vertical video, so I'll set it to 480 width and 848 height. I'll also set it to crop center. Connect the resized image output to an image saver node. Set the file name to a specific path. For example, myout/firstimage/myfirstimage.png. Crucially, make sure the directory exists. Let's test this node. And yes, it works. Run this workflow. Your start image is now saved, and importantly, the image saver will overwrite it every time, which is exactly what we want for the loop. Now, open your simple WAN Image-to-Video workflow and modify it for the loop. First, select the image that you want to animate in Load Image node. Add Resize Image v2 node by copy and paste the node so it has the same setting. Connect the Load Image output to its image input. Then connect the output to Clip Vision input. Add a Load Image path node. Enter the exact path to the image we just saved. myout/firstimage/myfirstimage.png. Add another Resize Image v2, also with the same setting. Connect the Load Image path output to its image input. Then connect its image output to the WAN Image-to-Video node's image input. Also connect the width and height. Set combined video frame rate to 24 and define its file name and location. From the combined video node, connect the video output to a select file name node. Select file name mean it just get the combined video file location. Connect the select file name output to two load video from path nodes. This ensures we load the video we just created to those two load video from path nodes. Now add the Math Expression node. Connect the video's frame count from the first load video node to the Math Expression's a value. The formula is simple, a -1. This gives us the total frames -1, which is the index of the last frame. Connect the Math Expression output to second load video from path's skip first frame input. Change its load frame value to 1. This forces the node to load only the last frame. Connect the image output from load video from path 2 to an image saver node. Set the file name of this final image saver to be the exact same path as your starting image. myout/firstimage/myfirstimage.png. Why this works? When the video finishes generating, it grabs its last frame, overwrites the starting image with it, and the next run starts exactly where the last one left off. You can now queue up multiple runs with different prompts for the same image. The videos are now in your output folder, but they are separate files. To join them, download and install Avidemux, link in description. It's simple to install. Open AvidMux. Drag your generated video files into AvidMux in the correct sequential order. Select MP4 as the output format. Click the Save Video icon to merge and save your final long video. To generate the next long segment, simply run the first workflow again to save the last frame from the previous run as the starting image, and then run the second loop workflow. Here a bunch of sample. A warning: because the image gets reused, you will notice slight color saturation and image distortion with every iteration. This is a current limitation we must accept. You now have a simple, fast, and stable WAN 2.1 image-to-video workflow for unlimited length. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Please subscribe and have a nice day.